Hi, this is the TCL TAB 10 seconds generation, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the AOD feature. That's why we should open the Play Store, and in the search bar we should enter the Muviz Edge app. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app and click to draw over apps. Then click here to Muviz Edge, tap on the switcher and go back. So here tap this AOD section and select one from the available tabs. Click to apply, and now let's just lock the device to see. So we could see that the AOD option successfully enabled. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.